and welcome to today's tutorial, and I'm still your Shoemaking made easy tutor Odrole Mojibola. Today we are going to be doing something really amazing, and already I have my insole right here. We call this insole. In case you're watching for the first time, all we do on this channel is make shoemaking easy and simple for you. We help you to reduce your family expenses on footwear. We help you to build totally new stream of income and help you to develop, an unusual confidence when it comes to your leather craft. So today we are going to be using this already made cord to create. Now this is sold at the rate of 1,000 naira or 1,200 naira thereabout here in Abuja. So what it means is you just need a pair of this. It is a pair that is sold at that range, and you need an insole which is made of our EVA foam and the insole cardboard. I wrapped it with just a pair of black leather, which is sold at about 750 naira or 2,000 naira thereabout here in Abuja. So I want to go ahead and then punch. Now the first part of this, for those who have been following Jibbyfemforte, knows that we have a measurement for this, and the measurement is 5 by 3.5. So I'm going to be using 5. I'm going to check the highest part here, and I'm going to pick up 5 right here. I'm using my silver pen. I'm going to check this part. I need it to be 3.5, so I have it right here. So I'm going to be punching right at that spot. So where is my hammer? I need to use my hammer to punch. So yeah, why is everything falling down now? All right, now after I punch the first one, I am also going to punch another one again, and it's because of what I have right here. Now I will not be able to say I want to just squeeze it into this one opening, so I am going to create another opening upwards. Please don't go downward. If you go downward, this particular insole will be shorter in length for the person you are actually creating for, especially if you have already measured your 5 centimeters. So I'm going to move upward and punch directly on top of it, directly on top. So it's time to begin to push it in. Let's push. Who is pushing with me? Don't worry, we are not pushing to bring out a baby. This one is just simple push like this. It's not the same thing as pushing out a baby. Are you aware that we now have a sole pattern template that has over 50 different templates, both for children and adults? Like sole templates such as what you have here. All you need to do is just to print, download it, print in actual size setting. When you want to print on your printer, let it be actual size setting, please. Don't go and use 100% to setting. Actual size setting is what you should use. And then you go ahead and print. It's supposed to be this way. And then you are good to go. Print, cut, and put it on your cardboard, on a thick cardboard, and you begin to use. In short, we have both heel and flat soles. If you want to create a welted design too, we have templates for welted design. All you need to do is just to cut out the template for size 39, wrap it and welt it, and it will give you exactly 39. So you don't have to be reducing and be trying to do this over and over. I'm sure you can see what we have right here. Now with this, I'll be able to monitor where this will stop. You understand? I'll monitor where this should stop or wherever I want it to stop. So I'm going to use my marker to just mark exactly where I want it to be. My marker is not cooperating. I need another one. So we have it stopping there. So I'm sure you can see what I have right here. So I think this is cute. Now for me personally, I would love this to be inside. Yes, some people may have other opinions, but I want it to be inside. So because I want it inside, I'm going to be punching inwards. I know some people may not like this, but trust me, that is what I am going to do. So I'm going to just go ahead and then punch. I want to be sure I'm punching the right place. Make sure it's about 1 centimeter away from the edge. Wherever you're punching, make sure it's about 0.5 centimeter away. This is 0.5 centimeter. From this place, this line to this one at the middle, the one at the middle here, this one at the middle, this long one, and this one, that's 0.5. So I think what you need is about 1 centimeter. Please, not 0.5, 1 from the edge to where you are going to punch, so that it doesn't begin to tear off. That is the reason. I think I'm going to go use this side. So I'm going to punch it twice as well, upward, then insert that into it. I'm going to try to make sure that they are the same spot here, or maybe a bit slight, like I've always taught us. So I'm going to punch. So this is going in here. Are you sure this is going to answer us? I think we should punch a third one. So let's see how, if it's going to go in. I know somebody is already wondering how I want to insert it. It's already showing outside. If it's not wide enough, why not? We'll remove it and adjust it. If it's not wide enough. Somebody is saying, how will I know it's not wide enough? You find out that this side will start bulging. Can you see that it's bulging out? This place is bulging. It's bulging. It's different from others. So it means that place is too tight for it. Don't worry. Somebody will be wondering, so you will remove it? Yes, I will. I will. And just make it a bit wider. Just a bit, but inwards. Just a bit. So I'll come in here and do the same thing. So I'll go ahead and insert again. All right, so at this point, I've already inserted it. I'm going to begin to do, you can use your feet. You can use your feet, or you use your shoe last for this one. Align it properly. Make sure your shoe last is sitting properly inside it. Make sure your shoe last is sitting properly. So I'm going to apply my adhesive on it. Make one go this way, maybe the other one will just go this way, but I'll reduce it a bit. For this side, I'm going to reduce and reduce. Now, I'm still going to reduce this one because I'm going to allow it to stay this way, separately like this, and not woven together. That's the way. It's tight. It's not something that can really pull out. So I'll go ahead and apply my adhesive on it. I don't want them to interfere with themselves. So I'll do the same thing here and allow it to dry. I'll do the same thing on this side, then allow it to dry. All right, so now that I've done this, I'm just going to still reinforce it with my glue, just for it to stay up, you know. I want it to really stick down there. I will do the same thing on this side as well. I'm sure you can see that. So you can use your lighter so that it will not continue fraying. Just use lighter to just stop it from continuously fraying. I'm sure you can see this. So basically we are just going to go ahead and button. So like I was saying about our sole template, all you need to do is just to print, download, print in actual size setting, please. The whole template is actually over 50 design, like I said, for children and adults. It's 3,000 naira for now, for the first set of people that are going to be having access to it. It's not staying there forever, no. I just want us to be able to use it, let me know what you think, how useful is it, what do you think we should remove, or what do we think we should add. It's not our first sole template, it's an updated version of the previous one. This one has heels, you understand, for both adults and children. So you can just pick up the one that is for heel and use it to create an heel insole for a child or for an adult. So I'm sure you can see what I have here. This is so cute and beautiful. I am just going to go ahead and cut out the outer sole and bottom it. Like I said, all we do on this channel is make shoemaking easy and simple for you. I'll keep the link to make an order for the pattern, the sole template ebook. Please, it's sole template just for different kind of sole. So we have round there for flat, we have square for flat, we have round for heel, we have square for heel, we have for men, we have for women. In case you want to create a kind of design that is double insole, so double insole like this, we have that one also inside. All you need to do is just pick up the outer sole, the main outer sole that we have there, pick up the one that is actually the double sole for that same size, place it on top of themselves, and your work cannot just be easier than any other thing. All right, thank you for joining me today. I am going to see you in my next video. My name is lSandal, your shoemaking made easy tutor. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. These videos are what you need to kickstart and of course to upgrade your shoemaking skill. Bye.